Oh no, 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 no. Yeah. Oh no, 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 no.
Hey guys, it's Shamar and welcome back to my channel. So today we are here with my sister's move-in vlog, her college move-in vlog, and her dorm tour is going to be at the end of this, so stay tuned. The first step is to come to the storage unit. Daddy bear over here, you know, because we had to make a little road trip to drop her off at college, back her off. We had to make a little road trip to drop her back off at college. So she had put some stuff in the storage when she moved out at the end of spring, so we're not picking that up. And then we're gonna go to her campus. So come along. Anyways, you guys, so we just pulled up to her school. Now we are going to get the keys to her room and figure out where her room is. It is so hot. So hot. Okay guys, so we just got to her room. Yeah. Okay y'all, empty room tour first. Okay, all right. So this here she has one of the more upperclassmen dorms, so it has kitchen and like a common area. So this is how the kitchen looks. They got stove, full fridge, dining table, and some couch and chairs and stuff. And then walk to her room. She has a single, comes with a twin XL bed, a dresser, a desk, and a shelf, and that's her closet. So I'm excited. I'm excited to decorate. So now it's time to bring the stuff upstairs, which is my least favorite part because y'all, it is hot outside. So we're gonna get this. So before we go get my dad and get the rest of the stuff, we're gonna just move the stuff around to how she wants her room. So let's do it. Okay.
And I'm tired.
Put on her, Leah. She ain't doing shit.
What's she doing? Standing up looking at people working.
Y'all, I'm doing everything.
He cut this in the floor.
Andre, we need a level.
Can I get a wall? Wow.
Hey, sorry. Is this cooking? Yeah.
Dinner. The thing I'm happy. Level up, mister. Level up.
Yo,
come on to
I know. Could y'all move, please?
talking about the story.
So, do you want the Paris next to it, the Eiffel Tower next to it, or you want it under it? I feel like you should do it next to it.
I feel like you should be under it because,
So, let's say that's that, and then you want to have it under here or over here?
On the Paris, on the. I want the word Paris on the Paris.
Okay, because then all these other words is not going to be.
take me two in the middle, Paris, and then Eiffel Tower underneath the flower.
I want big E that in the way. You know that?
This, I feel like this should be.
Alright, do whatever you want to do.
No, but it's your stuff. I'm trying to. We gotta put our mind.
You want to
together.
come and kill, but then I just don't want to see.
I don't think these supposed to go together. Or maybe they do.
Then
It's lines. We just have.
It's too far away.
so.
You talking about me? But I'm talking about you, talking about me, talking about me.
Ooh, bars. Okay.
Alright, you guys, so the room is pretty much all done. This is just an overview. This is the door she walks through. Then I'm gonna start here and then go around. So here is her dry erase board with like where she could write her due dates and stuff on there. She have a picture of her and her best friend. And we got these from Walmart, these white curtains. Her desk is pretty bland because she's gonna do her own thing. She's gonna put her makeup over here and then school stuff. She got her planners and stuff there. This little dream thing, I believe this is from Marshall's. Like I said, she's not done with this yet. She's gonna finish it. Her laptop, well, that's my laptop. Her laptop is gonna be there. Then this pillow doesn't really go with the room, so we just put it right here. Over here we had her TV set up. I'm not sure where she got this from, but she has like a little pull-out table right there with a trash can under it. And then she have her school banner, so that's UCF obviously. Then we got these pink over-the-door hooks from 5 and Below, but they couldn't fit over her door because her door was a little too thick, so we just put them there. She could put her lanyard on it. I hate that this shit is green, so ugly, but whatever. And then she has a trunk here with stuff in it. We just put this old blanket from her old room over it. Then this bed set is from Walmart. The pillows, these two pillows are from 5 and Below. That one is from an old bed set that we had, she brought. Then we got this from the dollar store actually, so we picked that up. This is from 5 and Below. And then that lamp is from Walmart. Flowers are from the Dollar Tree. The vase I think is also from the Dollar Tree. This little thing right here is from 5 and Below. Then this I believe this is from like Home Goods. It's just a tray. She could put like whatever she wants in there. Then these bins we got from 5 and Below as well. This thing is from 5 and Below. Then this dream thing, can't really see because it's mirrored, see like that. This is from the Dollar Tree. This to hide her closet is from Walmart. It's just a pink thing. And then we have this mirror right here. I look like crap because I was helping her move in. This mirror is from Walmart. The trash can is also from Walmart. And then she have her fridge, and we just put this over here. She's gonna fill it up with whatever she wants, but for now we have paper towel and some air fresheners that's supposed to go in the kitchen. And then this bean bag, Babe got it for her, or gave it to her from his old room because you know we're moving, so he gave it to her, but I believe it is from Walmart. These things above here is also from Walmart, so pretty inexpensive. Let me give you guys another shot. I'll give you guys a shot from this angle. So this is how it looks. Looks pretty good from this angle. But yeah, now we're about to do her bathroom, and I'll probably show you guys that. So yeah. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you guys the bathroom. It's just a toilet and a shower, and then you have the mirror here. So ready for the school year?
Yes.
Well, that's it for the vlog. I hope you guys all have a great school year, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!